Minasan konnichiwa! This is your Amizingurumi Akino Amita, and in this video we'll be making BT21 KOYA. Hope you like it, guys. Let's get started! For the materials, we need the following shades of yarns, a crochet hook, a needle for weaving, scissors, and lastly, fiber fill. Let's start with the head, chain 5, round 1, upper side of the chain, 3x and 1W. Then for the lower side, 2x and 1V, a total of 10 stitches for round 1. And a slip stitch plus chain 1 at every end of the round. Round 2, 1V, 2x, 1V, and 1W, repeat the pattern twice. Round 3, 1x, repeat the pattern of 1v and 2x 5 times, then 1v and 1x, a total of 24 stitches. Round 4, 1x each on all of the stitches, 24 stitches in total. For the round 5, that's the pattern, and at the end of the round 5, we will have 32 stitches. From round 6 to round 9, 1x each on all of the stitches, 32 stitches per round. Don't forget the slip stitch plus chain 1 at every end of the round. Round 10, follow the pattern. There will be 40 stitches in total. Round 11, 1x each on all of the stitches, 40 stitches in total. Round 12, follow the pattern below, and we need to have 32 stitches in total. Round 13, that's the pattern, 24 stitches in total.
Then 1A, 2X, 1, 2, then 2A's, then 2X, 1A, and 4X.
Round 14, 1x, then repeat the pattern of 1a and 2x 5 times, then 1a and 1x, a total of 18 stitches in round 14. Round 15, repeat the pattern of 1x and 1a 6 times, a total of 12 stitches. Do more stuffing if needed. Last round, round 16, 6 A's, total of 6, and slip stitch at the end of the round. Left ear, start with the magic circle, round 1, 6x. Round 2, 6V, total of 12. Round 3, repeat the pattern of 1V and 1X 5 times, total of 15, and slip stitch at the same stitch. For the right ear, it is same pattern as the left ear for round 1 and round 2, and round 3, 1x and 1v, repeat the pattern 5 times, total of 15. Now let's make the body. Start with the magic circle, round 1, 6x, total of 6. Round 2, 6V. There will be 12 stitches in total. Round 3, repeat the pattern of 1x and 1v 6 times, total of 18 stitches. Round 4, repeat the pattern of 5x and 1v 3 times, total of 21 stitches. For the next 3 rounds, 1x each on all of the stitches, 21 stitches per round. Round 8, repeat the pattern of 5x and 1a 3 times, 18 stitches in total. Round 9, repeat the pattern of 2x, 1a, and 2x 3 times, total of 15 stitches. Final round, round 10, repeat the pattern of 1a and 3x 3 times, total of 12, then slip stitch. Next, arms make 2 pieces. Start with a magic circle. Round 1, 6x. Round 2, repeat the pattern 3 times, 1x and 1b, total of 9. Round 3 and 4, 1x each on all of the stitches, 9 stitches per round. Round 5, repeat the pattern of 1x and 1a 3 times, total of 6, then slip stitch. Do the stuffing between the round 5. Legs, make 2 pieces. Start with a magic circle. Round 1, 6x. And slip stitch plus chain 1 at every end of the round. Round 2, 6v, 12 stitches in total. Round 3, 3x and 1v, repeat the pattern 3 times, then 15 stitches in total. Round 6, repeat the pattern of 3x and 1a 3 times, total of 12 stitches. Round 7, 6x, total of 6 plus chain 1. For the tail, start with the magic circle. Round 1, 6x. Working in continuous rounds. Round 2, 1x, and 1v. Repeat the pattern 3 times, a total of 9 stitches. Round 3, 1x each on all of the stitches, 9 stitches. Round 4, 1x and 1a. Repeat the pattern 3 times, 6 in total. Do stuffing in between round 4. In here, I use few scrap yarns to fill. Nose, make a double loop magic circle. Pattern is 2x, 1 HDC, 1 DC, 1 HDC, and 2x, total of 7 stitches. Tightly close the loops. Body mark, start with chain 4. Row 1, upper side of the chain, 2x and 1w. Lower side, 2x, total of 7 stitches. Chain 1 and 3rd. Row 2, 2x, 3b, and 2x, total of 10 stitches. Ear mark, start with a magic circle. Round 1, 6x. Round 2, 1x and 1v. Repeat the pattern 3 times, total of 9 stitches. If you like this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See you guys on part 2 for the assembly. Bye-bye!